Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to pCloud for encrypted shares and link protection. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Type pCloud.com in the address bar and hit enter. Once the website loads, locate and click on the sign up button at the top right corner. You can choose to sign up with your email address or by using social media accounts. If using an email, fill in the required details and create a secure password. After entering your information, click the Create Account button. Upon successful registration, log in to your newly created account. Navigate to the pricing section found in the main menu. Review the available subscription plans and select the one that fits your needs. You will be prompted to enter payment information. Fill in your payment details as required and confirm your purchase. Once the subscription is confirmed, return to your dashboard. To create an encrypted share, click on the Files section in the menu. Select the file or folder you wish to share. Look for the Share option and click on it. Here, you can adjust sharing settings to enable encryption. To add link protection, ensure the link protection settings are activated. Set a password for the link and determine the expiration date if needed. Once you have configured all settings, click Create Link. You will now have a secure, encrypted link ready for sharing. Feel free to share the link with your designated recipients. Your items are now protected with encryption and link security features. For any further adjustments, revisit the settings under the Share section as necessary. Enjoy the enhanced privacy and security that pCloud offers for your shared files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.